Sum of squares of first n natural numbers. So sum of 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square and so on up to n square. In order to find this sum, we can start with the formula that a minus 1 whole cube is same as a cube minus 3a square plus 3a minus 1. And from here, I can say that a cube minus a minus 1 cube is same as 3a square minus 3a plus 1. Starting with this identity, if we replace a with 1, 2, 3, and so on up to n, let's see what we get. If we replace a with 1, we get 1 cube minus 0 cube is equal to 3 times 1 square minus 3 times 1 plus 1. If you replace a with 2, we'll get 2 cube minus 1 cube is equal to 3 times 2 square minus 3 times 2 plus 1. Similarly, replacing a with 3, we get 3 cube minus 2 cube is equal to 3 times 3 square minus 3 times 3 plus 1. And so on. The last term will be n cube minus n minus 1 cube is equal to 3 times n square minus 3 times n plus 1. If we add all these terms, you'll see that 1 cube will cancel out, 2 cube will cancel out. Similarly, 3 cube will cancel out, and n minus 1 cube will also cancel out. So on the left hand side, we'll be left with n cube. And on the right hand side, we can add all the terms with square. So 3 times 1 square plus 2 square and so on up to n square. Similarly, negative 3 times 1 plus 2 plus 3 and so on up to n. And 1 added n times is n, which can be written as n cube is equal to 3 times, this is what we want to find and we called it as s, so 3s minus 3 times 1 plus 2 plus so on up to n, this is an AP with n terms. So we can find the sum easily, it is n over 2, the first term plus the last term plus n. From here we can take this term and n on the other side. So 3s is equal to n cube. 3s is equal to n cube plus 3 over 2 times n plus 1 minus n. If we simplify this further, we get s is equal to n plus 1 times 2n plus 1 times n over 6.